What's going on, guys? All right, so I had to go drop her off, so I was in the neighborhood of a different thrift store, and I found this lovely beat up Pioneer VSX 917V, and it's got some stuff on it. I don't know what they did here, but I think these are the correct ones, but I might be wrong. Anyway, they priced it at $34, but today is blue tag $2. Plugged it in, lit up. I'm not going to sit here and test the speakers because it was $2. So let's see here. It's pretty dirty. It just has an HDMI on it, which is like, oh, cool. So I look it up, 2007. Pulls 450 watts or 405 watts. It has, what do we got here? We got speakers. We got the front A, and apparently you can have B as the surround back. So you got A's and surrounds, so in the center. So that's 2, 4, 5. It's basically a 5.1, but possibly a 7.1, depending on how you want to do it. You might even be able to do the bi-amp wiring. Speaker impedance 8/16 ohm. For 6 ohm speaker, change over operation necessary. And there's no switch on the back, but there's probably a program in the menu. It's got a couple of optical inputs, digital coaxial inputs. You got your auxiliary in, CD in, DVR, VCR, TV SAT, DVD LD, and then the DVD LD has like a 5.1 input. CDR tape MD, and then you've got video out, in, monitor, subwoofer pre-out, and then you need a couple of S videos. I feel like these never ever were popular. And then there's an XM radio when it was called Sirius. So if it works for $2, it's pretty cool.